I'm getting an f8e4 error code.
Who makes your appliance? How old is it?
Maytag and it's brand new.
How long has this been going on with your Maytag appliance? What have you tried so far?
I installed in last week. It's done this twice. It has worked, but then I suddenly got this error. Also, it seems to leak when the code happens.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I installed it myself.
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question. The error you're getting means that the dishwasher won't drain properly. Make sure the hose didn't get kinked when installed to start. If the dishwasher is connected to the garbage disposal and the disposal is brand new or no dishwasher was connected to it before this, your knockout plug on the disposal may have been left in and forgotten to be removed. I'd call the install back out and check the drain line and disposal and such. If you don't see an installation problem, call warranty because the drain pump is going to need to be replaced. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
You have earned a 5-star rating, but I can't find where to rate you.
There should be stars at the top or bottom of your screen if you scroll all the way down to the bottom. Must go back to the site where you started this question if you're reading this on your phone's text messages.
Found it. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.